So my bare skin can only mean one thing, and that's a makeup tutorial. Today I've decided to create a look that incorporates some of my favourite current summer trends. So I'm going to be pairing fresh, glowing, natural skin with a statement neon eye, and I really hope you enjoy this video. I'm also so excited to be partnering with Boots for this video, one of my all-time favourite high street stores, because they have so many beauty products all under one roof. They challenged me to step out of my comfort zone and try some new beauty trends this summer, and I'd also love to encourage you guys to do the same. So hopefully this video will give you some ideas. To start, I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. I want a really good base for this to last me through the warm weather, and this makes my skin feel great, really moisturised and really prepared for foundation. For foundation, I've chosen the Bare Minerals Original Foundation. This is one of my absolute favourites because it looks so natural on the skin. You simply swirl the brush in the powder foundation, tap off the excess and buff into your skin in circular motions. And as you can see with this little before and after, it looks so natural but very dewy, perfect for the summer. It hardly looks like you're wearing any makeup, but still manages to cover blemishes and dark circles and evens out your skin tone. And next is brows. I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil. Again, this is one of my most used and most loved eyebrow products. It has a spoolie on one end and a slanted angled pencil on the other to give you really precise application for your brows. For eyeshadow, again, one of my favourite beauty brands, I've chosen out this palette from Too Faced. This is the Natural Eyes palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Heaven, which is a matte white, all over the eyelid. The shades Cashmere Bunny and Sexpresso to build up some colour in the crease of my eye, keeping it quite natural. These are both matte shades, but using them to blend out underneath and around the eye just to open it up a bit. Next, the bit I am super excited for, I found this Fenty Bayside Vivid Liquid Eyeliner Trio in Boots, and I couldn't wait to try this for a pop of colour on my eyes. So I'm taking the shade Skinny Dip, which is a bright pastel blue, and giving myself a nice big flick. Now I want this to be really out of my comfort zone, so I'm also going to be taking the shade Lime Fever and also running that on top of the blue as well, and I think this just looks so cool and it's a proper statement. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. This has a nice curved brush, so it means you can really get in there on all your lashes, which is great. It really volumizes and lengthens them. And then I'm taking the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer and just popping a tiny bit of that under my eyes and on any other spots. Now, because I do want this to be a nice bronzed look, I'm using the Rimmel Natural Bronzing Powder. I'm just sweeping that over my cheekbones, my forehead and underneath my jawline as well for some definition. And then I'm going in with some highlighter, again a very important part of summer makeup. I'm taking the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette in Solstice and using the lightest, most champagne powder and sweeping that all over my cheekbones, also adding a tiny bit of that under my brow bone, on the tip of my nose and in the corner of my eyes. Now for lipstick, I've chosen the No. 7 lipstick in the shade Ginger Rose. This is a super pretty natural pink. I also love the idea of switching up my perfume this summer, so today I'm trying a new sample of the Ellie Sub Girl of Now fragrance, but they have the biggest variety to choose from in Boots stores. I love the idea of having a different fragrance for every holiday you go on, so if you ever smell it again, it will really take you back, make you feel nostalgic for that trip. I need to spruce up my nails for summer. I don't really wear nail varnish that much anymore, but I wanted to again switch up my routine, so I've chosen out a nail polish from Essie. This is the shade Sunday Funday, and to set all of my makeup, I am using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist Setting Spray. Also going back in with a little bit more of that eyeliner, because I really want to make this super bright and summery, so I'm just adding a tiny bit more. And this is the finished look. There are so many amazing summer beauty trends right now. You could switch up the neon liner for some neon mascara. You could add some graphic glitter eyeshadow, which I'm definitely going to be trying next time, or even try adding some freckles. I had a big old browse of the Boots website to choose all of these products from loads of different brands. I'd also love to encourage you guys to get out of your comfort zone too. too and switch up your beauty summer routines with the help of boots. If you recreate this look, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I would absolutely love to see, and let me know in the comments down below what your favourite beauty summer trend is too. I love you lots, guys. Bye.